So what we are going to do here, we're going to add the ice. We've got some oranges here, which is what we're going to be using. Let's add a little bit of the curry leaves. So we're just going to add that. A pour of, say, 30. So that's where you get the sugar and we get the citrus too. You just have to say stop. Give it a little bit of a muddle. And we shake. Yeah? So do you want me? Okay, you do. Perfect. So start. Mine's done. Okay. There. This one? Oh, okay, that one. There you go.